Okay, all. I think I pretty much have it working. I hope. I just kind of want to go run through the entire process. Obviously, if I'm just purchasing a regular card item, it's a pretty simple process. It just completes the order. If there's any instructions, it would have come out here, but I did kind of want to show you the complete workflow for everything here. So you'll just see that I have a generated email with the information of what I just purchased, and you'll notice that I just have kind of a placeholder. If there are no instructions, which we can see here, this table for instructions is empty, so obviously I'm not getting anything here. So let me give you another example. I know that the Camtasia product has some instructions, I think. That would show up there. And then I should get something in my email here. I like to see the logo. And then it just puts the instructions that we have there. So that I just wanted to kind of mention, if we wanted to get more involved with what we want to say in the email in terms of instructions, that would be where we would build out the communication. So I'm taking the copy from the instructions table, so we know on the back end if we wanted to generate some more copy with links and stuff, that's where we would do it. So again, it's this section there. And then here you'll notice that I have a test security group, and obviously nothing has happened in this group. There are no members at this point. The only product that will add a member to that security group is this product here, which is the Adobe for Students, right? For obvious reasons. So I'm going to view the cart there. And then obviously there's a $20 fee that needs to be paid. So this is kind of a different process, right? Because we're actually going to the payment gateway. And so I will just put in the test information that I was given. And hit enter. And then it does ask you for a email address. So that payment is made. And again, I've zeroed out the total here. The price was 20, but I put totals because it was paid successfully. We can change that if we want. I just wanted to, let you know that I did that part. And then the last part is just completing the order, right? So once we do that, if I go back to my payment group or my security group, I will have the member there who is LB Shark. This is a hard-coded value right now until we get the SSO stuff up, and then it'll just be based on authentication. So in Laravel, they have a cron job type task. They call it scheduled task. So I've created one to perform the removal of members from that security group, that part of the process. So that's here. I've scheduled it just for this demo for 10 after 10 today, just so you guys can see it in action. But we can decide at what point, what time we want to do that every day at midnight or 6 in the morning. So something to think about. And then again, here is the one member that we have, and that was based on the order that was made. And then again, what I did is I went into, this is our most recent order, and I think I backdated the creation date. So this is what it's going to look at, and I moved the date back exactly a year, so it should now pick it up as a record. And then here is the page that indicates that the record has been removed.